In this video, I'll show you how to set up a smart form. First, create a template, click on Prepare to Sign, enter the name, and then you can also give this a different name, Prepare Signatures. Then you'll be able to add your signature fields, and then on the top left, click Save to Templates. This is a very simple process to save it as a template. Now let's work on making this a smart form. So go back now to templates, and now we just created an example contract too. And right now if we click on prepare to sign, we'll be able to go through the normal process that we just set up, through the signature fields and the signers. Now we want to take it a step further. We want to be able to fill out the document with their information right here with a form, instead of manually filling out the document or placing lots of text fields, label fields inside the e-signature. So in order to do that, click on the contract, and inside the editor you will see that I have fields like the state of, day, month, year that I would have to usually manually fill out. However, if I wanted to take that part away and simply fill all of this information out with a form, go to proofing here. We can click on accept all changes and stop tracking if we're trying to edit it. And then with the double bracket like this will be an input for the field itself. So right now I'm saying state of, I'll say state. This would be the name of the state. And whatever I'm going to put inside the form, and I'll show you the form later, is going to be entered right here without the brackets, of course. So then the day, the same thing there. We want to say this would be the day. And remember, it's double brackets like this. And the same thing with the month. So for example, this would be the month field. And we can even do the whole year as a one field as well. And this could be with first names, last names, company names. This could be with anything, right? So I'm not going to fill out the entire document, just some of these fields, just to give you an example of how this works. So now the next thing that I'll have to do, I'll have to click on the file on the top left, and then click on Save, and then also Save as Smart Form. Perfect. So now let's go back, and you'll see this extra option here that says Fill and Sign. So now instead of just sending it out for signature, we can also fill the document out, those fields that we just created with you, and then send it to the people who are already part of the template with the same signature fields, labels, initials, and signature. So here I can say California. Remember, this was inside the brackets in our document. This would be the day, the month, and the year, right? We can say 2021. And so then we can click on the button that says continue, and you will see the regular window pop up. They'll help you send this out for signatures, so you can actually put the client name in here and client email. And then as you prepare it for signatures, you will see that all of that information now is automatically filled out inside the document, and all of the signature fields are saved with it. So this is now you're using the smart forms with the templates all in one. Now as we go to the smart forms now, you will see the document here that we saved as a smart form. It already contains all of the brackets in it. And now if we click on prepare to sign, you will see that because this is not a template, it's not going to have anything in it. But our option is to fill out this form. Month, and then we can click next. Now here, instead of sending it out for signature, it'll actually ask us, where would you like to save this document to? And so you can give this document a name and say that now this is a new document. My smart forms, you will see that now I have this new document as well, and it's no longer a smart form, right? Because those fields have been replaced with the values that we put inside the form. So now if you click on this new document that we just created with a smart form, it'll be filled with the state information. And I believe we also put the month information in there, yep. So this is the state and the month information, which was July. Perfect. So those are the two ways you can use smart forms, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.